Hello folks, and welcome to another quick video. So in this one, I'm going to be telling you how to quieten down your auxiliary belt or your alternator belt or drive belt, whatever you want to call it. So it's this belt that runs alongside your engine. If you've got a front wheel drive vehicle like I do and most people do, this will be running along the side of your engine. If it's like a V8 or rear wheel drive, it'll be at the front of your engine. So this drives things like your alternator, it can drive your steering, all that sort of thing, perhaps the AC. And what it will do is it can get dirty in there. It's kind of hard to see from here, but that can get dirty in there. And when it does that, it can then be quite hard to keep quiet. So it'll be running very noisy. So all you want is this particular spray, and it protects the rubber. And I'll show you that now. So this is the spray you want. You can get it on eBay, places like that. Apologies for the alarm. There's a Derek's building nearby, and I guess someone's tried to get into it, so that's going off. But yeah, this is the stuff you want, and spray that on there as best you can, and drive the vehicle for about half an hour or so, and that noise will be gone. Obviously, if there's a mechanical fault, such as a damaged pulley or something like that, or the belt itself is just damaged, you want to get that sorted first. But even at times, once you've fixed that stuff, you can still get problems with the belt being really noisy, because there can be dirt on the pulleys and stuff, and they don't always get cleaned. So it's best to just spray the stuff in there, and that will sort it all out. Okay, so you can see where I sprayed it on there now. I'm going to run the engine for about half an hour, and that noise will be all gone. Might not last forever, but in general, I mean, I've done this and it lasted a good bit, 6 months probably. So that's worth doing, just keeping the belt in good condition. And, you know, for a tenner a time, that's for the bottle. You know, you probably use a quarter of it, maybe. So that's worth doing. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to hit that like button, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this video on your socials. I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.